Guys, just want to do a quick little trade recap here. Just going over one of my favorite setups here, which is basically the lowercase h. Although it didn't even play out, we can always still scalp it, and I'm just going to show you real quick. So this was on Friday or Thursday last week, crowd strike here. Basically, I'd missed the morning anyway, so I think I started around in the afternoon looking around here. And it's just very simple. It's a very simple trade setup that I love to do. After I see, an initial breakout, when we come back below, and obviously we're under VWAP or under the pre-market high and whatnot, so we're obviously getting a little bearish there. We're under VWAP here. I can start to see a little wedge forming. So naturally, I draw the line by the time we're about right here. Once I see we reject VWAP and we hit that wedge, I already know where we're headed once we get below VWAP. And of course, naturally, always try to wait for at least a 5-minute candle close for confirmation underneath the wedge just to be sure. So that's exactly how this trade went. I called it out in the free chat and I called it out for the premium for everybody, so everybody could eat that day. Nice easy little scalp, went 30% like 6 minutes, something like that. Really quick and easy scalp. So this is basically what I've been doing a lot lately, just looking for really quick scalps in and out just to get really quick money, especially in the afternoon too, where cons are a lot cheaper, they move a lot better. So this was a really good easy trade. So I'm going to show you everything really quick. So yeah, I think I called it out at like 153. So again, like I said, it's just as simple as, we're under VWAP. Obviously we had broken right there, but we got rejected, so I know we're coming back down. And I can just see it. I mean, maybe it's me, maybe I've gotten so used to it after this long, but I can just see the lowercase h. And I'll try to outline it for you in case for people don't know what I'm talking about. The lowercase h here. So basically, just like that, lowercase h. See, now obviously it didn't really fill in this part, which this is my bread and butter right here. This would be the absolute safest part of a lowercase h. Once it's underneath the VWAP here, once you get to this VWAP band and you get below it, you know with like 90% certainty at least that you're going to go at least to the lower day here. This one didn't validate, it didn't go all the way down, but we didn't need it to because I caught the trade right here. So anyways, let me get rid of that there. Yeah, I think it was 12:53. Let me see. So crowd strike. This is only a 6-minute trade. Watch, 1:53 p.m. 0 DT 212 puts for 90. 1:53. 1:59 p.m. 120 take profits. Easy money. Look at that. So from 90 to 120 at 1:53. So I'll show you. So it's literally just as easy as just drawing a line sometimes. That's it. And I called it out in the chat and everything. So yeah, like you can see, 153. We had just broken under, had a little retest here, waited for a little retest, and then I knew eventually we were going to go down as we were getting closer to 2 o'clock. I knew probably by 2 o'clock the move would be over. So after that retest, jumped right in, 153 here, and then boom, right about 2 o'clock. That's all it took. We got right down to there. And that's literally it. Just that right there. That tiny little amount is like what, 60 cents, 50 cents right there? That gave us 30% from $90 to 120 right there. So, don't let anybody tell you that the afternoon doesn't have good trading. The morning isn't always just where it's at. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really nice and easy, quick trade. So as you can see, I called it out there. And yeah, some other quick trades I called out there. And just to show you too, even called it out in the free chat, see? Called it out. I told them even ahead of time what I was looking for, watching crowd puts possible under that trend line, see? You can see it in real time there. You can see what I was looking at. That was how it was playing out. I already knew it was going to go down. And then bang, look at that. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I didn't want to make this video take too long. Just wanted to make a quick little one showing you guys. Again, this is one of my favorite setups here, the lowercase h. Especially when we're coming into the afternoon around 2 o'clock and we're just getting under VWAP to go down to lower day. That is beautiful free money for me. So, as always, make sure to subscribe and follow. Join the Discord. We just opened up the premium there. Make sure you grab the Trader's Toolkit if you want to learn how to do scalping and trading and everything like I do. If you want to learn my #1 setup and my trade management. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you later.